Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well, and I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. Okay, so now we will solve one question. Let me read out the question. Construct the minimal DFA. Okay, where the alphabets is A comma B. So the alphabets are A comma B for a long ways L contains strings. It is not. It is strings. Okay, contains strings which are starting and ending with different symbols. Okay, so they are saying that if it is starting with A, it should end with B. If it is starting with B, it should end with A. Now we will check what are the strings which are possible in the long ways L. Will it long ways L consists of epsilon? Epsilon is starting and ending with epsilon, so it is does not comes into this category long ways L. Now if it is A, will alone come? No, A is starting with A and ending with A, so A will not come. B will come? No, B is starting with B and ending with B, so even B will not come. AB can come? Yes, AB can come. Okay, because A is starting, this AB is starting with A and ending with B. BA will come. Okay, so with length 0, epsilon will not come. With length 1, A and B will not come. So with length 2, AB, BA will come. We'll see for length 3. Length 3 we will have 8 string. Among them, AAB can come. Okay. AB, B can come. Okay. Because it is starting with A and ending with B. This is also starting with A and ending with B. BAA can come. Okay. BAB can come. Not BAB. BA can come. Is it clear? Are you able to follow it or not? Because it is starting with A, ending with B. It is starting with A, ending with B. This is starting with B, ending with A. B, A. So, this is satisfied. So, can you tell me whether it is a finite long ways or infinite long ways? It is an infinite long ways. If it is an infinite long ways, there may be a DFA or may not be a DFA. Whereas, if it is a finite long ways, we are sure that there will be a finite automata, or it can have a DFA also. Now, we will construct the DFA for it. We will construct the minimized DFA because they are asking minimal DFA. Now, let me read it. From the state Q0, as minimum string is AB, so I will write A, Q1, B. It should accept, means it is going to a final state called Q2. And it should accept BA, meaning is that initial state itself it should start with B. If you see that from initial state it is starting with A, ending with B, we have constructed. Skeleton we have done. Now BA, meaning is that from initial state on B, it should accept. So it will go to some state Q3. On A, it should go to a state called Q4, which is a final state. Is it clear? So Q0 on A and B it is accepting. On Q0 on BA it is accepting. So we have drawn the skeleton DFA because we have taken the smaller strings in this long ways and we have drawn. Now it is a complete DFA. No. Why? Q0 on A and B we have discussed. Q1 on A and B we have not discussed. We will check it now. Q1 on A. What will happen? Q1 on B we have discussed. Q1 on A, meaning is that if you have AAB or AAAB, any number of A's ending with B, it is starting with A and ending with B. So, any number of A's here, it is not a problem. So, I can say that Q1 on A, it will go to Q1 itself. Now, Q1 on A and B we have discussed. Now, what will happen? Q2 on A and B we will discuss. From a state Q2 on B, you tell me. On B what will happen? AA, B. Now any number of B's can come. It is ending with B only. So if it is any number of B's, it will go to the final state only. Is it clear? Once it is starting with A, 1B you got, and then any number of B's followed, you can say that it is ending with B and it is accepted. So on B, it will go to Q2 itself. Now we will see Q2 on A, what it will happen. Q2 on A, let's say that from Q0 I have reached to Q2 on AB. Is it clear? From Q0 on A and B string, I have reached to a string called state called Q2. Now if I see a, okay, I have seen a, there may be a chance that after that a B can come. Is it clear? If I go to the dead state, if I just assume that this is wrong, then if I go to a dead state, I think everyone know what is the dead state. Is it clear? If I go to the dead state, again another B comes, you will be in the dead state because you are trapped. But once you saw A and B, and if you saw A, then you should not conclude that it is wrong. After that, there may be a B can be there. Then it is right, A and A starting with A, ending with B. So this is belongs to long ways L. So what I want to say is that from Q2 on A, you go to Q1. If we'll see whether whatever this part we have constructed is correct or not. Take a string A, B, B, A, B, B. Okay, A, B, A, B, A, B I have taken. So it is starting with A, ending with B. So take this part. Q0 is the initial state. Q0 on A, where you are going to a state called Q1. Q1 on B, you are going to a state called Q2. Q2 on A, you are going to a state called Q1. Q1 on B, you are going to a state called Q2. Q2 on A, you are going to a state called Q1. Q1 on B, you are going to a state called Q2. Are you able to understand? From initial state Q0, on traversing AB string, you have reached to a state called Q2. Now you need to check whether Q2 is a final state or not. Q2 is a final state. So what I can say, AB string is accepted by this DFA, which is part of this long ways L. We'll take counter example. Okay, ABA. ABA is starting and ending with same symbol called A. From Q0 on A, where it is going? Q1. Q1 on B, it is going to Q2. Q2 on A, it is going to Q1. So from the initial state, by traversing the string called ABA, it is reaching to a state called Q1. So what I can say about Q1? Q1 is a non-final state. So I can say that the given string is not accepted by the DFA. Okay. So it is, means I am talking about only this part. Means I am talking about A and ending with B. So the strings which are starting with A and ending with B is accepted by this part, and the strings which are starting with A and ending with A is not accepted. So now we will come to this one. BA, we are doing it because the smallest string we have taken, it is accepting BA. Now Q0 on A and B we have discussed. Q3 on A we have discussed. Q3 on B, what will happen? Meaning is that BBA is part of this long ways. Yes, starting with B and ending with A. So meaning is that once you start with B and end with A, in between any number of B's are there, it's not a problem. So Q3 on B, it should go to Q3 only. Are you able to follow? Okay. So Q3 on A and B is done. Now Q4 on A and B we will discuss. From state Q4 on A and B, what will happen we will discuss. Q4 on A, once you reach it to the final state A, by meaning is that BA you have checked. After that any number of A's can come. Any number of A's can come. It is ending with A. It is starting with B and ending with A. So it will be there in the Q4 only. From Q4 on B, what will happen? You should go to Q3. Why so? I have discussed the reason here. Let me discuss again. Let me see it. I have got B, B, A. Then I got a B. Then we should not conclude that it is not correct. After that, there may be a is there. Okay. So let's check it. So it is starting with B, ending with A. So we will check it. Q0 on B, you are going to a state called Q3. From Q3 on B, you are going to Q3. Q3 on A, you are going to a state called Q4. Q4 on B, you are going to a state called Q3. Q3 on A, you are going to a state called Q4. From the initial state, by traversing the string B, B, A, B, A, you are reaching to a state Q4, which is a final state. So what I can say, the string is accepted. So if you check it, this is the minimal DFA which accepts the strings which are starting and ending with different symbols. Okay, if you have any doubt, or if you think that my answer is wrong, you can give your solution in the comment section, and I will verify and I will clear your doubts. Thank you so much.